student from 10-9 and my name is Muhammad Mubin Warif from 22.
My name is Rukati Kasari, number 20. My name is Armina Garisana Sofri, number 4.
My name is Samantha Natania Lani Putri, number 35. Hope you enjoy!
Yes, that's true. I'm even glad because of a meeting about that. But I want to hear your opinions on this.
Oh no, sir. Social media has become ordinary. How can we communicate with our friends if there's no social media?
Yes, sir. Learning also often use cell phones, sir. If you're not allowed to bring them, how can we access learning materials?
Well, that's precisely in children with this program. You have to get used to reduce cell phone usage, especially limiting social media. We have to learn to be wise in using technology.
Even so, sir, some students are picked up by their parents going home. If something happens, will they call their parents? If that happens, then I usually contact them. But what if the teacher is away?
Well, I agree with Arnik. In my opinion, it's better not to bring cell phones to school because they will definitely be a distraction during learning.
I don't agree with this program because times are getting more modern and we have to use technology so we can become more advanced.
That's right, sir.
Your opinions are also correct, but even if it's not restricted, we have to start learning to be wise in using social media. Not yet. I will discuss this further with the principal, but I want all of you to think seriously about the use of technology and social media.
Hooray!
Alright everyone, sit down, the lesson will start soon.
Sir, may I ask a question?
Please do, Sammy.
If this program is actually implemented, how can we access important information?
That's a good question, Sammy. We will find ways to access important information without having to use social media. Perhaps we can use other information sources like books or newspaper.
Sir, I have an idea. What if we create the information system then can be very altered without having to use it.
That's a very good idea. Nah? We can try to develop such an information system. Thank you for all your suggestions.